Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the AWS. Today we are going to learn how to solve the issue EB command not found. So how to solve this issue, that means the EB elastic bean stack is not configured into my systems. So how to configure that one? So let's have a look how to configure. So where we have our commands. So let's add one by step. So you need to add this. Okay, paste this one, enter. So here you can see that this process going to take place. Okay, so next we have to set the version. So here we go with this one, which EB version. So let's go and check this one, which EB. So here you can see that user local bin EB, right? So the next you have to set this path. Okay, export this path. Then you have to type EB hyphen hyphen version. So what it gonna print? So you can see that elastic bean stack with this version is installed successfully. So first when I try to add eb in it, previous it's not working, right? Now you can see that the configuration path is opening. Okay, so this is how you can solve the issue that eb init not found, and how to configure the eb configuration using the ubuntu. So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Now you can configure your default origin, and after that step by step you have to follow this, then you can configure your elastic bean stack, right? Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.